Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating an 8-track for a 1976 Pontiac Trans Am. This is a repair to original stock. This comes from Dimitri in Browns Valley, California, and since this is just a standalone 8-track player, there's not going to be a whole lot to test. Just make sure it plays and changes tracks and all that cool stuff. So this unit is missing the tape door, obviously, and unfortunately I don't have one on hand because I can repair pretty much any 8-track that comes along, so I don't really have the opportunity to gather bad units that I can get parts from. So we're just going to have to do without that tape door. It doesn't affect the operation, of course. Let's go ahead and plug her in. Go ahead and Neil Sedaka. Alright, look at our speakers. Okay, balance left. Balance right. Alright. Volume down. Volume up. Alright, don't need this anymore. Switch tracks a bunch of times. Okay, we're at the end of a song here. So what the heck? Let's turn it up. Check the track head adjustment. No crosstalk. Okay, end of a song there. Blank spot there. Alrighty, and that's it. The only thing left to test is to make sure that without an 8-track inserted, it passes the radio signal on through. So we'll just check that real quick and make sure that's going to work as well. Now, this is going to be a very faint tone. You'll just barely hear it. Okay, what happened here? What is up with this? One side, and there's the other side. Okay, you can just barely hear it, but it's passing the signal from the radio. And as you guys might know by now, with a Delco system, with most Delco systems that have a separate radio and 8-track, it's the 8-track that actually connects directly to the speakers and the 12-volt power. And when you don't have a tape inserted is when the 8-track sends the speakers and the 12-volt power to the radio. So if you have a properly wired Delco system, the radio should not work without the 8-track also being hooked up into the system. So, just in case there's any problems upon reinstallation, I do label all the connector terminals, and in case there's any trouble, then the customer will know which wire goes to what and how to troubleshoot. I'm sorry guys, I don't troubleshoot car wiring over the phone. That's completely up to you. My task is to make sure that your equipment works, and I include a DVD showing that it's working on all functions. And if there's a problem upon installation, sorry guys, it's on you. I can't troubleshoot car wiring over the phone, and I'm not going to try. You had me blowing your car up in a hurry, I think. So once again, this comes from Dimitri in Browns Valley, California. Thank you very much, Dimitri, for your business. Got another 8-track on the road here, and my phone number and description are in my phone number and website are in the description below. Please visit my website before calling me with a 15-minute series of questions about options, prices, turn times, and all that. Please get that information from the website, and then by the time you call me, the conversation will be much more pleasant and less stressed. So thanks so much for watching this thing, and we'll see you guys next time.